Good morning students. Today we will study new chapter 10 measurement part first. You know about the measurement, then length, weight and capacity. Here length we measure in distance. Here weight or mass, the weight, then capacity means liquid. Then here you learn the table of measurement table. First kilometer, then hectometer. Here we write, this is the table of length. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Then weight. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram and milligram. Next, capacity. Kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Then these are the measurement table. First we study length. Kilometer, km means kilometer, hm means hectometer, dam means decameter, then meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Now, then the basic unit of weight is meter. This is the unit, basic unit of meter. Length is meter. V, this is the highest unit. This is the smallest unit. We go to bigger to smaller unit. We multiply smaller to bigger unit, we divide according to your distance. Here, first you look here, kilometer to decameter. Kilometer to decameter, how many steps we jump? Here, kilometer to decameter, how many steps? Here, first you, then kilometer to hectometer, then multiply by 10, again hectometer to decameter, multiply by 10, then here also multiply by 10. One jump, 10, the distance between one unit to another unit, then the distance is we multiply by 10. Kilometer to hectometer, we multiply by 10. Then hectometer to decameter, again we multiply by 10. Decameter to meter, we multiply by 10. Now, meter to decimeter, again we multiply by 10. Then decimeter to centimeter, multiply by 10. Then here come we multiply by 10. Now in reverse, millimeter to centimeter, we divide by 10. Smaller to bigger, we divide. Then bigger to smaller, we multiply. Then centimeter to decimeter, we divide. Then here also we divide. Then meter meter to decameter we divide by 10. Again decameter to hectometer we divide by 10. Then here come we divide by 10. Then now our question, convert 3 kilometer into meter. Listen the question, kilometer into meter. Kilometer into meter. Where is our kilometer? Here. Kilometer into meter here. How many steps we jump? How many steps? 1, 2, 3. That is 10, 100, 1000. Then bigger to smaller we multiply by 1000. Kilometer into meter. How to solve this? 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 10, 100, 1000. 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1000 meter. Therefore, how many kilometer we have? 3 kilometer is equal to 3 into 1000 meter is equal to 3000 meter. Understand you? Then another question, 4 kilometer 125 meter into meter. Our question, 4 kilometer 125 meter into meter. Kilometer into meter, meter into meter. Now, kilometer here, then meter here. How many steps we move? Kilometer, 10, 100, 1000. How many steps we move? 1000. 3 steps, then we multiply by 1000. Again you write solution. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. We have 4 kilometer 125 meter is equal to 4 into 1000 meter plus this 125 meter. Then we write 4 1 ja 4. How many zeros put? 3 zeros put. Meter plus 125. Then 4125 meter. Understand you? Then next question. Meter 15 centimeter into centimeter. 2 meter 15 centimeter into centimeter. Where is our meter? Here. Our centimeter here. How many steps we move? 1, 2. That is 10, 5, then 100. Multiply meter to centimeter, bigger to smaller, multiply. Then solution, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. We have 2 meter 15 centimeter is equal to 2 into 100 plus 15, that is 200 plus 15 is equal to 215 centimeter. Then now 450 centimeter into meter and centimeter. Now our question, centimeter into meter and centimeter. Centimeter, this is our centimeter. Centimeter into meter. Then how many steps we? 1, 2. Then 10, 100. We divide by 100. You write 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. We have how many centimeter? 450 centimeter is equal to 450 upon 100. Then we divide by 100. How many digits we remove? 2 digits. That is in right hand side here, this 2 digit. This answer 4 meter 50 centimeter. Understand you? Then now our question. Next, weight. Weight. Then again kg. This is the higher unit, this is the smaller unit. Same to same this. We change this letter meter. In the place of meter, here we write G, kg, gram. Kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Then kilogram, the basic unit is gram. Here the basic unit is gram. We move in kilogram to next unit, we multiply. Then hectogram to decagram, we again multiply. Decagram to gram, we multiply. Gram into decigram, we multiply. Decigram into centigram, we again multiply by 10. Then centigram to milligram, we again multiply by 10. Then reverse, milligram to centigram, we divide by 10. Then centigram into decigram, we divide by 10. Decigram into gram, we divide by 10. Then gram into decagram, we divide by 10. Then decagram into hectogram, we divide by 10. Then hectogram into kilogram, we divide by 10. According to our unit, in which unit we reach, you according to in multiply or divide. Now our question, 3 kg into gram. Look here, kg here, then gram here. Then we move how many steps? Here, then here, here. We multiply, here multiply, here multiply, here multiply. 10, 100, 1000. We multiply by 1000. Then solution, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. We have how many kg we have? 3 kg. 3 kg is equal to 3 multiply 1000 gram is equal to 3 1 jar 3. How many zeros put? 3 zeros. Our answer is 3000 gram. Understand you? Next, 4 kg 750 gram into gram. Kg into gram, gram into gram. Again we 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. We have a 4 kg 750 gram is equal to 4 into 1000 plus 750 gram is equal to 4000 gram plus 750 is equal to 4750 gram. Understand you? Next, 7120 gram into kg and gram. Kg and gram. Gram here, gram into kg. How many steps we move? 3 steps, that is divide by 10. Here also divide by 10. Here also divide by 10. We divide by 1000. You write 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. We have how many gram? 7120 gram is equal to 7120 upon 1000. We divide by 1000. How many digits we remove? 3 digits. That is this 1, 2, 3. This 3 is equal to 7 kg 120 gram. Understand you? Next our topic, capacity. Again this kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, milliliter. Then the base unit is liter. The base unit is liter. We purchase milk, petrol, these are, or water, these are come in oil, these are come in liter. Then we move kiloliter into liter, bigger to smaller, multiply, smaller to bigger, divide. We move here, multiply by 10, then hectoliter to decaliter, multiply by 10, then liter, we multiply by 10. Then again liter to deciliter, we multiply by 10, then deciliter to centiliter, we multiply by 10, then again we multiply by 10. Then reverse the milliliter to centiliter, we divide by 10, then next we divide by 10, then next we divide by 10. Then liter to decaliter, we divide by 10, then decaliter to hectoliter, we divide by 10, again we divide by 10. Now according to your unit, you multiply or divide. Now 3 kiloliter, 300 liter into liter. Convert 3 kiloliter, 300 liter into liter. Kiloliter into liter. Then how many steps we move? 1, 2, 3. That is 10, 100, 1000. Multiply by 1000. 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. We have 3 kiloliter is equal to 3 into 1000 plus 300 liter. That is 3000 plus 300 is equal to 3300 liter. Then 4730 ml into liter and ml. Ml means milliliter. Where is our ml? Here. Then we go to liter. Then how many steps we move? 1, 2, 3. That is 10, 100, 1000. Then bigger, smaller to bigger, we divide. That is, we divide by 1000. 1 ml is equal to 1 upon 1000 liter. Then we have 4730 ml is equal to 4730 upon 1000. That is, we divide by 1000. How many digits we remove? 3 digits. 4 liter 730 ml. These are the measurement table, how to convert one unit to another unit. You understand this? You learn the table, measurement table. Then you do this homework. Question 1 A to H, question 2 A to H of exercise 10.1. Okay, thank you.